welcome to Shritan's videos. Today we will do the magical experiment. Now, first you need is a ZipLoc and some pencils. So you need also water to fill in the ZipLoc, but you need about 75%. Okay? It should look like this, like heavy. It should be a little heavy. So now let's start the experiment. The experiment is poke it, mess the house, okay? Wow, it's not spilling. That's really good. I like it. Awesome. Oh. Now let's do my second bag. It looks like 3 fingers. 3 fingers. Hello, I have 3 fingers. Look at these. These are really awesome. Awesome. Next, I will take out all these pencils and it will be like a fountain. Okay? Let me get the tray. Abracadabra! See, it's my tray. Now, I'll take out the pencils. 3, 2, 1. I hope this doesn't get messy. Ooh, Fountain erupting! Let me take the next bag and do another epic fountain. Awesome! We have more! Oh my god. If all this water had been inside it, this entire tray would be full. It feels warm. I mean cold. Thank you for watching my magical experiment, and please subscribe and press the like button.